We mentioned cyber as one, but what are some of the elements of that you look for to make sure that we're future-proofing the organization?
Yeah, I'd boil it down to 3 really critical things for me. I think first is automation. I mean, part of challenges and as we think about this economy, and if you look at all those downturn cycles we talked about, the first thing companies focus on is not expanding your talent pool. Well, you still have work to get done and you still want to grow. So how do you do that efficiently and effectively? And to me, that's automation. So that to me is a number 1 priority. Enablement. This is when you need to make your teams their most productive, right? Because we need to get the most out of every single team and every single person. So figure out what those groups need to be successful to do the jobs and those priorities that you've chosen for the business. And then Gary's going to love this one, compliance and security. I mean, I think those are timeless priorities. And so I think particularly in a tough economy, that's not the place you cut back on. So I use that those 3 lenses to think about where I'd invest. And then if I think about what I invest in, I still think at our core, we need really strong HRIS systems, and you want one that's got APIs into a lot of different things. So again, it might be connecting to your IT systems, might be connecting to your financial systems. You need kind of a unified platform and one that can do multiple things. I think financial and data analysis tools are also really, really critical. You don't want to expand your finance profile or just your G&A profile in times of uncertainty, but you do want to make them more productive, and great tools can do that. And then finally, I really think those foundational IT tools to manage identity and access to give you those security layers so that most basic hygiene layer is covered. I think
we know someone that can do that.
I know somebody who can do that. And happy to have a conversation if anybody wants to know that same company that can do that. But
one thing again, Chase, which is that we always have to remember that in strange times and recessionary times, if we have it, and we should talk about that, as much as we think we're playing defense, so are our competitors. And so this can be a time to really make the difference and figure out the thing that is the single most important thing that can differentiate you from your competitors with your customers, something that makes it easier for your customers, something that makes them more productive, and really hone in on that and use this time to do that while your competitors are really playing defense. This can be your time to do that. So it's worth thinking about that.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.